In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace. If you're trying to track down a listing you posted earlier and it seems to have disappeared, don't worry. In many cases, the listing may not be fully gone. It could still be stored in another section of Marketplace, such as archived, sold, or pending listings. I'll walk you through where to check so you can find it as quickly as possible. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone and signing into your account if you aren't already logged in. Make sure you're using the same account that was originally used to create the Marketplace listing, since listings are tied to your profile. Once you're inside the app, go to Marketplace by tapping the Marketplace icon in the menu. Depending on your device, this icon may appear at the top or bottom of the screen. After you open Marketplace, look for your Marketplace profile or the section called Your Listings and tap on it. From there, review your listing categories carefully. Check the active section first, since that's where currently visible listings appear. If it's not there, move through the other sections, including pending, sold, and archived. A lot of people assume a listing has been deleted when it has actually just been moved into one of these categories. If you find it in any of these sections, you'll usually be able to open it, review the details, and manage it from there. If you still don't see the listing, there's one more place you can check, and that's your activity log. This step is optional, but it can be very useful if you want to confirm whether the listing existed, was changed, or was removed from view. To do that, go back to your main Facebook profile, tap the three dots to open your profile options, then select Activity Log. Inside the Activity Log, review your Marketplace-related activity and look for any record connected to the listing you're trying to find. This can help you verify whether the item was posted and may give you more context about what happened to it. As a helpful tip, take your time when checking each section, because listings can sometimes be easy to miss, especially if you've posted multiple items before. Also, remember that if a listing was permanently removed, it may not be fully recoverable, but these are the main places you should check first. That's how to find a deleted listing on Facebook Marketplace.